So hi guys, today we just have something from the delivery, and this is from our friends from LEB, Let's Eat By, and Sugbo Mercado. And we have, first up, it's the Inglorious Cookie, Dearby. Unsa man lang yun? More power to you. Thanks for supporting homegrown brands. So, manay from Inglorious Cookies. So, hi day kay Tonyo, Carcel of Foods of Cebu. I know imo ning favorite. So, Inglorious Cookies ta. What else? Oh, we have tall, dark, and wholesome. Mana to? Sorry, tall. Yeah, tall, dark, and wholesome. So, it's like chocolate. And of course, og kani. We have Mark's Cannoli. Mark's Cannoli. So, mana since niabot na ni ato na lang tilawan, di ba? So these are homegrown brands. Actually, most of these brands kanina na ni daan di Inglorious Cookies, pero na uban daghan kinang gawas na brands or food items ni gawas pagka pandemic na. And manang believe kay ko sa mga Cebuano, by the way, na unsa sa ka-creative ang mga tao, daghan kay genius dahil niyo. And sige, sugda na to atong tasting. Tonight there is some cookies from Inglorious Cookies. Kalimot na ng kukuan. So before ta magkuan, nato sa ning pampicturan we have, this is some cookies. Ato ni i-set up sa so para itong dilawan ng ginahinay. Sorry ha. So mali itong cookies. And ato sa testingan ng picture by picture na to. Pero na tayo. Ang hambog ko ng uban na iPhone 12, ang asawa naka iPhone 12, so nindot ko ng photos na iPhone 12, so atong picturean kung nindot ba yun. Glorious Cookies. So of course man atong akong picturean ng cookies, yung Glorious Cookies. Nindot bitaw cellphone, and of course kaning tall, dark, and wholesome. Selfie ta. Selfie ko. With all the products from so mana. So atong picture ning uban. Kani excited ko ning cannoli. Pero wala, Dearby, more power to you. So wala, more power sad sa mga homegrown na businesses like Sugbo Mercado and the apps na kani bay ato ning ibton kana videohan ato cannoli. Then we have the cookies. Usapan ginato. Uy. Usapan na to bay. Sapa na. Kana. So awa. Ay balik sa nato. So let's eat by. Muna, let's eat by. Perfect. So of course, atong tilawan una ang cannoli. Ba, asa to tong camera una. Churan gina to be. Na mag-selfie ko with the cannoli by kay. Hindi ni pwedeng dili because this deserves a selfie. Pero ba, mauna. i-offer na ko sa inyo mga unta. Really good looking cannoli by oh, kita mo sa detalye na pistachio and then chocolates and then cream sa sud. Lain-lain ni na flavors. So ato nang tilawan. Ewe. Wow. Parang heavenly kay lasa ba? Perfect kayo nga. Nag-heavy dinner ko. Ay, heavy desserts lang ta. Kaya bawi una na ito ugma. Mana. Really delicious, man. So if you wanna contact with Cannoli, be happy with you. Mana, Mark Cannoli. Instagram and Facebook, mana ilang number as well. Diba? So, mana, usunod na niya na ako ang kuan. Ang akong na akong di kuan. So, itong Cannoli. Kurot na yun. Power. Malingaw kayo, magsunod din ako. Okay. Next up, Inglorious Cookies by Yung Nutella sa sulod. Wow. Wow, grabe silang napadana ko. Grabe, enjoy kayo mga desserts ba. Power. Oh, I love this cookies ba. Ano kung usa. I love the salt on top sa nakuan because it really enhances the sweetness. Nothing too overpowering. Really amazing cookie by. They call it Inglorious yun kayo. Gamera. Get away. And finally, sa kaning tall, dark, and wholesome. It's a chocolate, definitely. Diba? Taka. Nawa ko na ko. But yeah. Nga na. Taka na. Tampungan ako kung sab. Pero yes. Here's our chocolate. Yung na itong tubig cake. Grabe itong triple threat karon. Seriously, kanin, ganahan ko niya. You can really taste the chocolate. It's not too bitter. Very buttery, very oily actually. Pero creamy kayo sa baba. And nagnindot kini, humot kay mong baba pag humanog kaon mo ano eh. nawa ang akong gikaon ganyan mga kuan. Kanon ako perfect yun na finish. This is a perfect finish siya atong like dessert, local desserts na food trip right now, courtesy of Let's Eat by LEB and Sugbo Mercado. Thank you so much for sending me this awesome sweet goodies. Padayon tas 2021 sa pagka-sweet. Let's all support local. Not only kuhaan ng mga apps, mga food markets, but also kanina itong mga online sellers ay good kalimti in restaurants. And I hope padayon ta mana kung kuhaan ay sad mo kung di mo ganahan mo laag daghan na kay options karon when it comes to online sellers sa Cebu. Check out ng mga Instagram, Facebook katugod like mo kani si Tall, Dark and Wholesome, Inglorious Cookies. Kani ang Inglorious. Ano ilang contact information. And of course mana ito from our LEB team. Thank you kay Bay mana. Thank you. So mana guys, I want you to try it. I want you to try everything I tried tonight. Like the cookies, the Inglorious Cookies, the Cannoli from Mark, and of course this perfect finish yan ang chocolate. Versus nanti ko how it feels sa mouth. Ang tall, dark and wholesome. So wala. Interesting name. Really enjoyed each one of it. Grabe kayo. Kalami. I can't believe na, mga local sellers ni Slatanan. So amazing. So of course, you expect na this year I'll keep on supporting local businesses. If you have a local business na you wanna promote, let me know lang. I'll try my best na nga. Dili yun kadsag ko ka-commit na. Diretso lang na kuhan. But yes, as much as possible, I try to cover as much this year as well. Pero mana, padayon mo sa paghimog mga laming pagkaon. And, by the way, please support local creators as well. Diba? Nabangay lang tantanan. And I hope to see you na sa susunod na mga videos. Kung na may ganahan niyo pa feature, let me know. Na may, favorites na ganahan ako tilawan. Ingna ko para ako nga tuon na may mga bagong discoveries. Ingna lang ko para mabisita na to. And thank you so much for watching. And mana, sige kong doko-doko, no? Hey. Hindi pa ko anad-anid. So I'm using, by the way, the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. With the do-it-all handle, so nasa tracking, and actually makita there is so hi. So see you guys, and I hope na awesome in your week ahead. Kalimutan, keep on supporting local. Bye.